Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Talia Nadiva. You can call me Diva. Now, I will bring a story entitled The Boy Who Cried Wolf. There once was a boy who grew bored while watching over the village sheep. He wanted to make things more exciting. So he yelled out that he saw a wolf chasing the sheep. Help! Help! There are wolves here! All the villagers came running to drive the wolf away. Where? Where is the wolf? However, they saw no wolf. There are no wolves here. The boy was amused, but the villagers were not. They taught him not to do it again. Shortly after, he repeated this antic. Help! Help me! There are wolves here! The villagers came running again, only to find that he was lying. Later that day, the boy really sees a wolf sneaking amongst the flock. Oh! He jumped up and called out for help. Help! Help me! There are wolves here! For real! Help me! But no one came this time because they thought he was still joking around. At sunset, the villagers looked for the boy. He has not returned with his sheep. Why hasn't the boy come back yet? They found him crying. There really was a wolf, and the entire flock was gone. An old man came to comfort him and told him nobody would believe a liar, even when they are being honest. So, the moral of the story is don't be a liar. Nobody would believe a liar, even when they are being honest. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.